In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send high priority email in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to make your message stand out with a clear, high importance label, all without overcomplicating the process. First, open your web browser and go to outlook.live.com. If you're prompted to sign in, do that as you normally would. This tutorial uses Outlook on the web, so the screen you see should look like the standard Outlook home with your folders on the left and your inbox in the middle. Once you're in, make sure you're in the mail experience. If you see options like mail, calendar, people, or to do, choose mail so you're viewing your inbox and can compose a message. Next, click new mail. This opens the compose pane. Typically on the right side of the screen, you'll see fields for the recipient, the subject, and the main body of your email. Take a second to make sure you're composing from the correct account if you manage more than one mailbox. In the to field, type the email address of the person you're contacting. If you need to include additional people, you can add them here as well. Use CC if others need visibility, and BCC if you want to keep recipients hidden from each other. Accurate addressing helps ensure the right people see your message quickly. Move down to the subject field and write a clear, concise subject that signals urgency and context like action required by Friday, budget approval. A precise subject line works hand in hand with a high priority flag to convey importance without sounding alarmist. Now set the email to high priority. In the compose toolbar, look for the exclamation mark icon or the importance setting. Click it and choose high. When this is active, Outlook shows a red exclamation mark and recipients will see the message marked as high importance in their inbox. Remember, this doesn't force an immediate response. It simply highlights urgency. Use it sparingly so your high priority messages retain their impact. With that set, review your email for clarity and tone, then click send. Outlook will deliver your message with the high importance flag attached. If you're curious, you'll typically see that red exclamation mark in your sent folder next to the message, indicating it went out as intended. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook on the web, go to mail, start a new message, add your recipients and subject, set high priority, and send. Use this feature thoughtfully, pair it with a specific subject line, and you'll improve the chances your email is seen and handled promptly.